Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to send video on Gmail. So first of all, open your Gmail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Click on to compress, type here to Gmail, like something, and tap on this attach file option and select a video from your gallery. And then finally click on to send. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily send video on Gmail. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.